Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, CBGB Motorsports. I'm Gavin.
I'm Colin, and this is my 2010 Mk5 Jetta. A brake job on most cars is usually pretty easy, but on this car, the rear caliper piston needs to be screwed in, not pushed in, and this requires a special tool.
In this video, we'll show you how to use that tool. Let's get started.
When jacking up the car, always remember to secure the two front wheels with wheel chucks and support the car in the air with the jack stand. In order to take off the wheels, you'll need a 17mm impact wrench, and the caliper is held on by two 13mm nuts. In order to remove the caliper, you're going to want to loosen both 13mm nuts. Remove the bottom one all the way, and leave the top one in just a little bit, so the caliper can pivot. After this, take a flathead screwdriver and go ahead and pop out your old brake pad. As you saw in the last clip, the piston has two grooves in it. This tool from Harbor Freight offers different sized discs to match your car. The discs have notches, and you will line them up with the grooves and twist this to screw in the piston. As you can see, that was fairly easy, and the piston is fully compressed. Just like with the front, we're replacing the rears with power stop brake pads. This comes complete with brake guides, the pads of course, and some grease. As you can see, it was time for some new pads. This was the thickness of the old pad compared to the new one. Now that the new pads and guides are installed, make sure to use your new hardware to reconnect the caliper. Since this is a 12-year-old car, we're going to go ahead and replace the ABS sensors. What you're going to want to do is take a pry tool like this, get behind it, and lift up. This is what the sensor looks like. We bought a set of 4 to replace the current ones. But be very careful, they are corner dependent, so pick the one that looks similar. Always remember to torque your wheels to the proper spec.
As you can see, this was pretty simple. Brakes are typically a DIY project that most people are afraid to do. Although you need to pay for the $25 tool, you're saving money in the long run, as brakes typically cost about $200 per axle.
The ABS sensor kit was well worth it, as the ABS light that was on the dash is now off.
Make sure to follow the break-in procedures that can be found on the instruction sheet.
That's it for this video. If you like what you see, please like, subscribe, and tell all your friends. Your support is very much appreciated.